Today we will learn how to sell domain names for profit in 8 easy ways. In this video, I will show you step-by-step methods on how to properly sell a domain name and work from home as a domainer. You might be wondering, can I sell domain names for profit? Simply yes, I have done it for many years, and here I will show you 8 easy ways to sell your domain names. First, you need to identify popular domain names. Look for recognizable, memorable, and keyword-rich domain names that relate to a specific industry. These domain names can sell for more money because they are frequently in high demand. Domains that sound good when they roll off your tongue and remember shorter are better than longer names. That's just my personal experience. Coming in second, buy expired or expired domain names. These are domain names whose former owners have yet to renew, and a potential domain investor can purchase them for less money. After acquiring the expired domain name, you can restore and resell it for a profit. 3. Create a website on the domain name. Then monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or online sales. This approach might take more time and be more difficult, but it might also end up paying off more in the long run. At number 4. Use a trustworthy marketplace or platform. To ensure that as many potential purchasers see your domain name as possible, list it for sale on a reliable market or venue. 5. Research the market. Do market research to find out how much comparable domain names are worth, then use that knowledge to decide a reasonable price for your domain name. 6. Create a professional listing that looks professional for your domain name and contains a description of the domain name, any potential uses for it, and any other pertinent details. Now 7. Network with other investors. Develop a network of other domain name investors. 8. Use paid advertising. To advertise your domain name and reach more potential customers, use paid advertising. Don't forget about copyright infringement. Final thoughts. As with everything, it takes time to learn a new skill. Before you jump into this, please do a lot of research on how to find the value in certain domain names.